Today, I woke up to a surprise. A water leak coming from my cupboard. Turns out, my water heater decided to start leaking. Sometimes, things just don't go your way. And when that happens, the best thing you can do is accept it and move on. Thankfully, I've got a friend who knows a reliable repairman. He came over really quickly to check it out. And the verdict? It can't be repaired. It needs a full replacement. Oh well, such is life. And with the weather being so cold these days, I better get this fixed soon. Otherwise, poor Milky's going to be stuck with cold baths just like me. Has this ever happened to you? When something suddenly goes wrong, totally unplanned, and just drops a bomb into your day? The truth is, we can either handle it gracefully and move on, or stress about it. But stressing never changes the outcome. If you're new here, hi, I'm Uncle Haiks. This channel is my collection of love letters to life's greatest joys. And for me, that's fitness, my crazy travels, and brutally honest reflections on living a meaningful life. Lately, life's been shifting for me. I've started treasuring the things that brings me joy and peace. That also means avoiding unnecessary drama, whether it's people, situations, or agendas that don't serve me. Sometimes that means meeting fewer people. Sometimes it means letting go of friendships that ain't healthy. And sometimes, it just means choosing to spend my time more intentionally, even if that means spending it alone. Have you felt the same before? That need to step back, simplify, and protect your peace? I've always believed things in life happen for a reason. You might not always see the reason in the moment, but with every setback, that's usually a silver lining. Like today, while waiting for the repairman to get a new water heater, I actually got the time to slow down and reflect. I've been meaning to write down some of my thoughts, but with so many distractions, I never quite find the mood. Funny how life forces you to pause sometimes. I also found time to spend with the little one. Her regular 10 minutes foot massages.
But I know that you're holding all the answers.
It's time to prepare a light breakfast. Are you a breakfast person? I like starting the day with something healthy. Since I had extra time, I boiled some eggs. Lately, I've been hooked on making egg mayonnaise and having it with fiber biscuits. It's a simple snack, but it works so well, especially when I'm reading or watching TV. Way better than mindless snacking on junk food if you ask me. And since it's Friday, I was looking forward to hitting the gym. Fridays are also my social nights, usually the time I go out with friends. But you know the tricky part? Not all social circles give you good energy. When you're surrounded by drinking friends, the vibes can be mixed. And sometimes, it's hard to find people who are on the same frequency as you. Oh, and speaking of plans, I just booked my Bali tickets last week. So, get ready for another Bali adventure soon. I always end up going back to the same place. Maybe it's the familiarity, maybe it's just knowing I can enjoy the trip without stressing about where to go or what to do. Sometimes, simplicity is the best kind of holiday. So yeah, from broken water heaters to broken plans, I'm learning to just take life as it comes. Focus on what matters, let go of the noise, and enjoy the little joys. Whether it's the gym, a good breakfast, or a trip to Bali. And that, to me, feels refreshing. Finally, the water heater is repaired. Hello, hot water. And guess what's the first thing on my mind? Before I wrap up, I want to thank all my subscribers. It's been 3 months since I started posting more consistently on YouTube. And 25 videos later, I finally crossed the 1,000 subscribers mark. Trust me, there were many moments where I wondered if anyone was even watching. So a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting me. Creating these vlogs have become something I genuinely look forward to every week. Remember, I post twice a week, every Tuesday and Saturday. So I hope you'll continue following along as I share the little things happening in my life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.